Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, December 5th. Hope you guys are doing well, that you had a great week. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Sorry I haven't been here all week. I've been super busy doing things. We had a really nice Thanksgiving. I'll just chat briefly here. You could always fast forward. My brother-in-law and his family came, and my mother-in-law came. They stayed from Wednesday to Saturday. So a dinner came out great. I thought everybody else enjoyed it too. We just had a lot of fun eating and playing games and just hanging out. We had a good amount of snow. It's weird. We get like white Thanksgivings a lot, but it worked out fine. And then, just other stuff has been going on. So I wanted to come on and share with you some crafty items I purchased. I got some Happy Mail, some Christmas cards, and I have some crafty updates at the end. So let's get started. First, I got some cards in the mail, some Christmas cards. Thank you guys. The first one is from my friend Leah, who is ModMade here on YouTube. I will link Leah's channel down below. Thank you so much, Leah. She is the sweetest person and so funny too. Oh my gosh, Leah, you always crack me up. So Leah sent me this super cute gingerbread card. It says Merry Christmas. It's got like the like a wood veneer Merry Christmas. Cute gingerbread paper in the background, and look with her state in the background there. Isn't that so cute? And gingerbread. And then you have a gingerbread man and a woman. Looks like me and my husband, although my husband has hair, but that looks like me. And a candy cane. You accented it with a silver pen. These are so cute. And a cute little sentiment on the inside too. So thank you so much, Leah. And then I got this one from my friend Anna. Hi, Anna. Anna is Anna White. She is the creator and the owner of Sweet Miss Daisy Designs. I love Anna's stamps and paper pads, and she's just a great person as well. So thank you so much for this beautiful card, Anna. This is one of her newest stamps that she offers in her shop. I will link her channel down below on YouTube and also her shop on Etsy. And she always spritzes it with the silver spray. Look at how nice and magical that looks. Can you see that? It's so shiny in real life. Beautifully painted. Anna, you are my watercoloring inspiration for sure. And you've got the stamps in the background. And it says, sending you warm wishes for a cozy Christmas. Love that sentiment. And you've got the black frame or backing on the picture or on the painting. And then beautiful paper in the background too. And it's popped up a little bit. Jen, Merry Christmas to you and yours. I recognize that from the stamps that I have of yours. Aw, thank you so much, Anna. I so appreciate these, you guys. It's so nice to get, Christmas cards in the mail instead of like junk mail and bills. So thank you guys. They'll be linked down below. And I want to share this quick with you. My daughter works at like an upscale thrift store near here. And this was just at the thrift store. We're not sure if it was a cat toy or what. So it's a little Pusheen guy. I don't think it says 2020, but it's mine now. So thank you to my daughter for giving me that. And then I got one thing from Amazon. I got these binder rings. These are 1-inch binder rings, I think, 1 1/5 inch. So they come in different colors. I'll link these down below. I don't remember how much I paid for them, but it's, an assortment of colors. There's white, pink, purple, orange, yellow, green, blue, red. Looks like some gold and silver. So a good variety. And there are 70 in there too. So nice to use. I like the smaller size mostly for my mini albums. I have the bigger ones too, but usually I use this size, and I have a piece of mint tape stuck on there. And then, do you find when you're out Christmas shopping, you find things that you will love? Yes, that's what I do. So I found this at TJ Maxx. It's a Pusheen journal list pad and gel pen gift set. And this was $14.99, which is a great price for Pusheen things. So let's open this up. So whenever I see Pusheen things, I tend to buy them for myself because, why not, right? And they're usually a good price if you get them at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or something like that. Sorry, I thought I had deleted enough things on my phone, but I guess I didn't because I had to delete some more. So anyway, I'm going to put this notepad and pen in my kitchen. Just so cute. I write lists, sometimes on my phone, sometimes I, write them on a piece of paper. And then this is a little journal it comes with, which is really nice actually. So it's got the Pusheen pictures. I don't have enough Pusheen notebooks apparently, but this is different. It's a journal. It's got a magnetic closure and just some paper. So yep, little gift for myself. And when I was at TJ Maxx, I found these pens. I'm going to give them to my niece for a Christmas present. They came in different colors and patterns. These are Laura Ashley's set of 3 pens, Heirloom Cottage, and these were $7.99. And I got these because I had gotten her a notebook a while back, and I thought these would match, and it does. It matches perfectly. This is a notebook I had picked up a while ago. So I'm going to give her this and this together, and I think that'll be a nice present for Christmas. This notebook was $7.99. Also at TJ Maxx. It's just lined. It's got gold trim on the pages. So there's that. And then I got a scrapbook.com order in. I forget if this was a Black Friday. No, I got this on Black Friday actually. So I got some freebies. I got this pack of Crafter's Companion 6x6 paper pads called Blush Pastel Plaid, single-sided sheets. I didn't open it, but I'll just show you briefly what it looks like. Looks nice. I wouldn't have paid for it because I don't really need it, but it's nice to have for free, definitely. And this was a freebie too, scrapbook.com luster brush marker, and this is the mint color, right? Where's the color? Oh, I guess it's right there. Sorry, Seafoam. So yeah, pretty color. And then this was free as well, and this is a mint magic mat. So glad to have that. I'm not a huge fan of magic mats, only because I can't see stuff when you put make a sandwich for your cutting machine. I like to be able to see my die and paper through the mat. I don't know. I mean, it's good for the bottom, I guess, but I don't like to sandwich them on those. And I really placed the order to get this, which is the Collector's Essential Kit for Simple Stories Winter Wonder. I do have the collection kit for this, but I just love this kit so much, or love this collection so much. And I showed you in one of my videos, videos for last week, some projects I made with this. So I figured I'd pick this up while it was still available. And it comes with all of these good things. I'm not going to open it, but because it's an older collection, but you could see what it comes with. That's the cardstock stickers. It comes with journal bits, page pieces, which I don't have, 12 sheets of double-sided cardstock, which are all those papers up there. And let's see, what else? Chipboard stickers. Yeah, and then the other things I showed you. So this came out a couple years ago, and you can still find it out there, but if you want it, I would get it when you can, because I've been having the hardest time finding Simple Stories things that I want, like the simple vintage Holly Jolly collection, not the regular Holly Jolly. But anyway, I also got the layered chipboard stickers from that collection while I was buying things, and those are beautiful, aren't they? Oh my gosh, I just love the colors. I love the wintry theme. And then I got these two, which are the Winter Wonder bits and pieces, and that's everything it comes with. So these are things that don't come in the collector's kit, right? It comes with journal, page pieces, and simple page pieces. Okay, so that's what I got from that collection. And then I also got this. This is Simple Stories Santa's Village collection. And it has some really pretty papers in there. I'll show you this because I haven't hauled this before. But it's got some really cute things. Like this is the sticker sheet, and the palette is really pretty. It's got the traditional colors, but some pink in there as well. Super cute Santa. Looks kind of vintagey, kind of retro, I think. Kind of goes with the style goes with this collection, not the colors though. I love the sentiments. Okay, so this comes with this giant piece, which I will not use because I don't do big layout pieces like this. But the other side is Ho 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 in the colors of the collection. So there's like a medium green, a dark green, red, light blue, and dark blue. And then we have this poinsettia and looks like roses page with holly as well. And then a green background with the polka dots and all the colors. Here's a bigger polka dot. Looks more like snowballs on a red background. And then the back looks like that with the little sprigs, pine, maybe, I don't know, winter flowers. And then, oh, this is so cute, this one, right? The Santa's Workshop, Gingerbread Cafe, Sled Shop, Snowflake Factory. Adorable. And then that's the pine branches, or pine branches in the back. Now, I think I hauled some Santa's, hold on one second. Okay, I just wanted to find these because I had hauled these last time. These are the North Pole bits and the sentiment bits from the Santa's Village collection. That's why I gotten this, right. Okay, so this page has cute Christmas trees and kind of like a diamond, kind of like just a grid, a diagonal grid there. And then we have the cute snowman Santas. I love the little holly sprigs on his hat. Cute closed eyes, red nose, pale blue background, and then a candy cane kind of stripe on the back. Then we have the pretty gifts with all the colors, and then a plaid on the back of that. So this is a little bit more modern than their simple vintage collections, but still super cute. And I have use for both of those. I like both of them. So this is all the tags. Very, very cute in the back. And some cut-aparts. These are journaling cut-aparts. Journal elements, it's called. Love that deer. Cute Santa there with the journal lines on it. Jolly memories. And that's the back of that. The pretty florals. And some more cut-aparts. These are 3x4s. Jingle all the way. That's a cute little postcard. Ho, ho, ho. Jolliest wishes. And a nice plaid on the back. More cut-aparts. These are like varied. There's 2x2s and 4x4s. How cute is that? Santa's Workshop. I love that. The mouse with the mistletoe hanging from his tail. Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Jolly. That's cute. Yeah, so it's nice to have the paper to go with the ephemera that I got. This is a really pretty, like, mint blue background with white snowballs. These are the big cut-aparts, 4x6s. Easy cards. Just put those on a card front, right? And the back, oh, that's pretty. I like that. Very pale pink. And then I showed you the stickers. Nice. I'd love these to add to tags. So yeah, that is Santa's Village. And yeah, I'd forgotten that I had gotten those elements to go with them the last time, so I picked up the paper this time. All right, so that was it from scrapbook.com. I placed an order with AmericanCrafts.com, which I've never done before. It wasn't like a great sale or anything, but they had some things available that I wanted. So I placed an order and I got a 25 pack of my all-time favorite tan color, which is called Almond Cream. And this was, I wrote it down, it was $11.85, which is, it's okay. Of course, it would have been better if it was at Joann's or Ollie's, but neither one of those works out for me. Obviously, Joann's doesn't work for anybody, but I just wanted to have this. I love using this color for gingerbread and sugar cookies. I've tried other ones, but this is really my favorite. So I figured I would pick that up. And then I got one of my favorite pinks too. This is called Pink Icing. And this is also 12 by 12, 25 pack, and it was $11.85. So I am glad to have those. And then I got this. I love these packs of AC cardstock. This one is the Valentine's edition, and this was $13.19, which is really good. For those of you who find these things at Ollie's, I'm very jealous, but my Ollie's are very standard or underperforming. So these are the colors it comes with. You could see all those, and the quality is just so good. They're 12 by 12s. It comes with 20 colors, and I think there's like 3 of each. So a wide assortment of reds and pinks. It's hard to find reds sometimes, so that's why I got this mostly. Yeah, there's 3 of each. So yeah, I think the shipping was like $7.99, which isn't that bad. And how often am I going to order from them? Not very often. So I picked that up. And I think that's it for my haul. I'm just looking around to make sure. I did place an order with Office, what's it called? OfficeSupply.com. I forget if that's the name of it. Office, hang on one sec. Yeah, I just had to check. Yes, OfficeSupply.com. After seeing you guys haul from there, at first I was like, okay, I'm going to resist, but I just couldn't. So I will show that probably next week. I just ordered yesterday, so hopefully I should have it by next week. And I'm going to have a video probably tomorrow. Since I'm not doing design team projects this month, I have some time to just make some of my own cards and stuff. So I wanted to share with you some cards I've been making. So I'll have just a little project share video tomorrow. And thank you for, I've noticed a bunch of you have still used my code at Crafty Designs for the December release. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. Even though I'm not sharing any December projects, you're still thinking of me and using my code. So I just want you to know that I noticed that, and thank you. Thank you so much, especially this time of year. It really helps. So that is it for today, you guys. I will be back soon, like I said, tomorrow, and hopefully, another time before my next week's haul. We're going to be decorating the tree this weekend. It's my husband's birthday, so we're going to be going out to dinner too. And yeah, just doing some holiday, birthday, festive things. Got to wrap some presents and that sort of thing too. All right, you guys, that is it for today. I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. I'll try and link everything I can below. Until next time, have a wonderful day and weekend. Love you guys. Bye-bye.